Everyone thinks the best-selling electric boat anchor winch is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Minn Kota Deckhand DH40. First up is the Minn Kota Deckhand Electric Anchor Winch DH40. Priced at $340.73, this winch caught my eye with its sleek black design and solid reputation. If you want hands-free anchoring convenience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The one-touch automation feature means you can raise and lower your anchor with just a button press. It boasts a heavy-duty 40-pound capacity and comes pre-spooled with 100 feet of durable nylon rope, giving you peace of mind that it's built to last. The anti-drag system is a bonus too, as it lets you drift at your desired depth without hassle. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, buyers rave about its ease of use and reliability. Now, some people complained about the price being on the higher end. Here's the thing though, many users justify the cost by saying it saves them time and effort every time they go out on the water. If you're serious about convenience, this might be worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you frequently anchor in different depths and want a reliable, automated solution. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, but for the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price of the Minn Kota bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more budget-friendly option. Product number 2, Camco TRAC Outdoors 35G3. Next, we have the Camco TRAC Outdoors Pontoon 35G3 Electric Boat Anchor Winch, priced at $199.97. This one really caught my attention because it balances affordability with efficiency. If you want a cost-effective winch without compromising on performance, this is definitely worth a look. With a maximum anchor capacity of 35 pounds and 100 feet of pre-wound braided anchor rope, it provides solid holding power. Plus, the easy-to-operate buttons make using it a breeze, ensuring you can spend more time enjoying your boat and less time fussing with the anchor. With 4.4 stars from 522 reviews, users appreciate its simplicity and reliability. However, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Honestly, while that might be an annoyance for some, many found that the performance outweighed this minor inconvenience. If you're not sensitive to sound, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable winch that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need a winch for heavier anchors, but for most casual boaters, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power without going overboard. Product number 3, Track Outdoors Deckboat 40. Now let's talk about the Track Outdoors Deckboat 40 Auto Deploy G3 Electric Anchor Winch, which comes in at $275. This option caught my eye for its blend of power and efficiency. If you're looking for a winch that's easy to operate but still packs a punch, this might be your match. It features a user-friendly design that allows you to raise and lower your anchor effortlessly. The high-efficiency motor is another plus, using less battery power while still accommodating anchors up to 40 pounds. The included 100 feet of pre-wound anchor rope ensures you have what you need right out of the box. With a 4.1-star rating from 387 reviews, users appreciate its straightforward operation and robust performance. One drawback I noticed is that it doesn't come with an anchor included. Some users felt this was a downside, but I think it's manageable since you can choose an anchor that best fits your needs. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to customize your setup. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and powerful winch for your deck boat. Skip this one if you prefer an all-in-one package, but it offers great performance for the price. Now, if the lack of an included anchor was a deal breaker for you, let's look at the next winch that offers a more complete package. Product number 4, Camco TRAC Outdoor Fisherman 25G3. Next up is the Camco TRAC Outdoor Products Fisherman 25G3 Electric Anchor Winch, priced at $189.97. This one really stood out because it's designed specifically for smaller boats. If you're looking for a lightweight anchoring solution that's easy to handle, this is a solid pick. The easy-to-use buttons allow for quick anchoring and retrieval, which is perfect if you're out fishing or just relaxing on the water. The high-efficiency motor also means less battery drain, which is always a plus. With a 4.5-star rating from 336 reviews, users have praised its performance and ease of installation. Some reviewers mention that it may struggle with heavier anchors in rough conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for its intended purpose on smaller boats, it generally performs just fine. If you plan on using larger anchors or in strong currents, you might want to consider a more powerful winch. This is perfect for you if you own a smaller boat and need an anchor winch that's lightweight and efficient. Skip this one if you require something that can handle heavier anchors, but it's an excellent choice for light to moderate use. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more robust, the next option might just be what you need. Product number 5. TRAC Outdoor Angler 30 Auto Deploy G3. Last but not least, we have the TRAC Outdoor Products Angler 30 Auto Deploy G3 Electric Anchor Winch at $240. This one caught my eye for its balance between power and ease of use. If you want a high-quality winch that doesn't compromise on features, this is definitely worth your attention. The 100 feet of pre-wound braided rope allows for quick anchoring, and the wireless remote adds a layer of convenience, letting you operate it from a distance. With a 4.5-star rating from 154 reviews, users love the reliability and ease of installation. Some users noted that the wireless remote can sometimes be finicky. Honestly, while that can be annoying, many found that once they got the hang of it, the convenience of remote operation outweighed the minor hiccups. If you can deal with a little learning curve, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable winch with great features for a reasonable price. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward wired solution, but it offers excellent value in performance. In summary, all these electric boat anchor winches have their unique strengths. From the Minn Kota for serious anchoring needs to the budget-friendly Camco TRAC and everything in between, there's an option for everyone depending on your specific needs. To wrap it up, whether you're looking for a high-capacity powerhouse like the Minn Kota, a budget-friendly option like the Camco TRAC Outdoors 35 G3, or something lightweight like the Fisherman 25 G3, there's a winch here for every boater. Choosing the right one ultimately depends on your specific needs and how you plan to use it. Happy anchoring!